Arduino, as many of you may know, is an open-source electronics platform that allows us to create interactive projects and prototypes with ease. With its user-friendly interface and vast community support, Arduino has become the go-to choice for makers and enthusiasts worldwide. By the way, if you're an Arduino enthusiast, you know that there's one project that no true Arduino lover can resist: a robot car. Imagine a small yet mighty vehicle equipped with sensors and driven by the intelligence of Arduino. This remarkable robot car has the ability to navigate its surroundings, avoiding obstacles with precision and executing your commands flawlessly. But wait, there's more. We're about to unlock the true potential of this futuristic creation. We're integrating a powerful Bluetooth module into our robot car, propelling it into the realm of wireless control and interactivity. With the incorporation of the HC-05 module, we're breaking free from the constraints of physical connections. No longer bound by wires, our robot car gains the freedom to be controlled remotely, like a digital puppeteer guiding its every move. Let's take a closer look at the HC-05 module and its functionalities. The HC-05 module is a versatile Bluetooth transceiver that operates as a slave device in a Bluetooth network. It utilizes the Bluetooth 2.0 specification, providing reliable and efficient wireless communication. With the HC-05 module, we can establish a secure and stable Bluetooth connection between our robot car and a smartphone or any other Bluetooth-enabled device. This connection allows us to send commands wirelessly and control the movements of our robot car effortlessly. The module communicates with the Arduino microcontroller using the Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter WIRT protocol. WIRT is a serial communication protocol widely used for connecting microcontrollers and other digital devices. It provides a simple and efficient method for transmitting and receiving data bit by bit.